Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting, and today video title guys screenshot sound how to use in Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to use your screenshot sound and how to on and use screenshot sound in Oppo phone. Today friends we will talk about in this video guys. So friends, you can see when I take a screenshot, friends, you can see without any sound guys I can take a screenshot, but guys I want to screenshot guys with sound. So how to take a screenshot with sound, today friends I will show you in this video. Friend, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, where is screenshot sound setting? So guys you can find your screenshot sound in your sound and vibration setting. Sound and vibration guys, we will on it. After on sound and vibration guys, you can see guys your phone vibrate setting, silent mode setting, ringtone setting, do not disturb setting is here. So guys you will have to click on guys your more sound and haptics. Then guys you can see your lock screen sound you want to on, you can on. Dial pad tone you want to off, you can on and off from here. So friends, I will on guys screenshot sound from here. After on guys, now let's see guys when I will take guys, you can see I want the screenshot, so I will take a screenshot. Friends, you can see screenshot sound. So like that guys, when you will take a screenshot to get the sound will work. So like that guys, we can take a screenshot with sound in Oppo phone device. And once you don't want to take a screenshot with sound, you want to off your screenshot sound. So how to turn off it? Open your again phone setting guys, on guys search bar and get direct guys we will search here guys screenshot sound guys. Once you can see screenshot sound guys, we will click here. Once you can see screenshot sound, we will tap here to turn off. And after once you can see when we will take a screenshot without a screenshot guys, okay, without sound wave we can take a screenshot. So I hope friends you understood how to use guys screenshot sound in Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Before going, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel.